Welcome to Apache Spark tutorial. Installing Ubuntu 24.04 and then show you how you can set up the Apache Spark development environment on Ubuntu 24.04. So first of all, you have to install Ubuntu 24.04 on the VirtualBox. I already have the Oracle VirtualBox, and I will install Ubuntu 24.04 on this machine and then teach you how to set up the Apache Spark development environment. I will be developing many more tutorials on Apache Spark. So first thing is to download the Ubuntu 24.04 desktop and install on the Oracle VirtualBox. So go to the ubuntu.com/download/desktop, and at the time of recording this tutorial, the latest version of Ubuntu is 24.04 LTS. So I will click here and the download will start. So you can see the download is being started. So I will pause this tutorial and come back again once the download is complete, and then show you how you can install Ubuntu 24.04 on Oracle VirtualBox. Ubuntu 24.04 desktop ISO is downloaded. I will move the ISO file here. Next, I will install the Ubuntu 24.04 on Oracle VirtualBox. So open the Oracle VirtualBox and click New. So I am giving the name Ubuntu 24.04 Apache Spark. Just to identify I am giving the name Ubuntu 24.04 Apache Spark, and this is the name of the VM. Click Next, and I am going to provide the RAM to 10 GB. So 10240 is the value for 10 GB, and I am going to provide the 8 CPUs. Click Next, and the space I will give is 250 GB so that I can install a large number of softwares on this VM. Click Next and click Finish. Select the VM and go to the settings, and now I will select the ISO image. Linux images directory and select this ISO. Click OK, then click OK. Now we are going to run the Ubuntu 24.04 VM. Click Start. This is the nice installer of Ubuntu 24.04. Select English and click next. Click next. Now it is downloading. Ubuntu Desktop Bootstrap. Mounting Ubuntu Desktop Bootstrap. Click on Install Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. It is preparing Ubuntu for installation. Click next. Next. I will select the interactive installation. Click next. Click next. Erase disk and install Ubuntu. Click next. Click next. Click next. And finally we are going to click on install button to install the Ubuntu. So Ubuntu 24.04 is getting installed, and it supports the best open source development tools like Visual Studio Code, IntelliJ IDEA Ultimate, PyCharm, Git. So we can use Ubuntu 24.04 for application development. So Ubuntu is also great for gaming. Ubuntu supports the latest NVIDIA and Mesa drivers to improve performance and compatibility. It is private and secure. We have Firefox, WildGuard, Brave, Bitwarden. So there are a lot of softwares that comes with the Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. Today over 66% of developers prefer Ubuntu, and this is the information from Hacker Earth 2020. A common OS across desktop, server, cloud and IoT. We will wait for the installation to complete. Now Ubuntu 24.04 is successfully installed and ready to use in my computer. So I have to restart. I will press enter. Ubuntu is starting. Now I will log in. Ubuntu 24.04 is successfully installed, and in next tutorial I will show you how you can install Python and Java on Ubuntu 24.04 for Apache Spark application development. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel.